LiftMat Low Profile hydraulic scissor lift tables from Southworth have an extremely low collapsed height of only 3 1/8 inches. This unit features an optional turntable recessed into the platform, making it ideal for palletizing applications. The turntable features anti-friction bearings, so it spins easily with minimal effort. A locking clip prevents rotation when not in use. The lift mat can be loaded by a forklift or stacker, or by an ordinary hand pallet truck when furnished with the optional ramp as shown here. A foot control switch allows the operator to raise the platform to the most comfortable height for loading or unloading. Here we have a worker unloading a pallet of boxes onto a conveyor. The turntable allows him to spin the load so he can stay in the same position throughout the entire unloading process. When the top layer is completely removed, he raises the platform again to bring the second layer into the safe working zone. He raises the lift yet again for easy access to the boxes on the bottom layer. By remaining in the same spot for the entire task and maintaining good posture, worker fatigue is dramatically reduced and productivity skyrockets. The entire perimeter of the LiftMat platform is protected by a mechanical toe sensor, which immediately stops downward travel when it comes in contact with any obstruction. To protect workers during maintenance, the LiftMat is equipped with 2 maintenance chocks that prevent the platform from lowering. So if you're looking for a lift table for loading and unloading pallets, a LiftMat Low Profile lift from Southworth is just what you need. When you add the optional turntable and hand truck ramp, it might just be the most versatile lift you'll ever have.